I re-signed up for Boxycharm only for the month of July because I wanted the Boxycharm Norvina Premium Box. So I haven't been a member since 2017, so I don't remember anything with Boxycharm. I just knew I wanted this. I have volume 2, which I'm impressed with the formula. So I said, let me go ahead and take my chances, because you can either get the purple palette or you can get the orange palette. And the orange cover case palette, that's been on my Sephora Loves list for a good year. I've been waiting for it to go on sale. Hasn't gone on sale. So you get a base box first. You have to sign up, and then you get the luxe box. So I'll show you what I got in my base box first. So it has a little bit of mix of stuff, and I actually, to be honest, was pleasantly surprised. Only a month. I'm only staying for July. First item is a retinol serum. This is from Dermelect. It states it successfully targets the look of fine lines, wrinkles, saggy skin, blah 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 blah, sun damage, etc., etc. Retails for $38. So standard drop style, the dropper size. Now, this is a retinol product. I use my Retin A, so my medical grade Retin A. So what I'm going to do with this product is I'm actually going to ask my sister and see if she wants this. I don't know really what her evening skincare routine is, to be honest. So I'm just going to pass this on to her and let her, you know, enjoy it, because I just know I won't touch it. So that's another thing with these boxes. Okay, when you don't know what you're going to get, and it may be, okay, I can use one item, I can't use this item. I was over all that and having all these products all over the place. So I will pass that on to her. Now, this is a eyeliner, the Bellapierre Cosmetics liquid eyeliner in the color black. So this is like, you know, the typical liquid eyeliner that when it has the brush tip, or I thought it was a brush tip, the brush is actually the stiff one, which I actually don't like. I actually prefer, if it's going to be a brush like this in this style, I like it to be, you know, where it just kind of glides and you can kind of glide back. I actually have it on today because I was curious about it. This retails for $20. So the base box, I want to say was $25. I totally forgot. Totally forgot. That's why I don't do these Boxycharm videos. It's like, I don't know. It went over like glitter and so forth. It went over fine. It was just when I had to kind of swoop back in, I noticed there was some jagginess, and no. So I'll use it. I'm just going to use it up, because since I've already used it, I'm not going to pass it on to somebody else. That's just completely not sanitary. Next is a skincare product. This is the Mudmasky Vitamin Infused Eye Serum. So it's supposed to be like the moisture, the hydration, vitamin C, and it's supposed to help with puffiness, but also like dark circles and so forth. Let's see how much this retails for. This retails for $63. I've never heard of this brand. So it's just stating serum contains the all natural vitamin C. Okay, first off, I got to see what type of vitamin C. I'm still looking, and I really don't see it up at the top. I'm still looking. Well, the fact that it's not L-ascorbic acid, that I'm not pleased with, because that is the type of vitamin C I feel that works the best for my skin. There's all different types. So if the vitamin C, it might be the sodium one. I don't remember if that's a different form. What I'll do is, I'm saying this so I can remember in editing, put in the screen what type of vitamin C it is. It's not one that I automatically recognize. So, no. This might be another product I'm going to ask my sister if she wants to try. So far she's got 2 products. that she can see, that she can use. The next item is a 4-in-1 makeup pen from the brand Pen Pal. That's another thing, I've never heard of this brand. I haven't heard of any of the brands in this box except for Bellapierre and then the next one from Ofra. So this is like on the go. So it's one of those click style pens, those annoying click style pens. I couldn't stand these pens in school, and I don't like them now. It's the one where, see, you just have them like that and you just push them down and then the product comes. So it's actually an eyeliner. Where is it? I just saw it here. Eyeliner in black, highlighter in champagne pen, a lip pencil in mauve, and then the brow pencil in coffee brown. All I remember is just getting in trouble so much in school with those pens. I just, no. Nope. No part of it. The last item is from Ofra. This is the Good to Go mini mix palette. So it has some of Ofra's best-selling products for full face. You can change them around if you have like other pans. You can mix and match. That I actually like, when you can actually customize it. So it's their own branded one. Turn it around and you can see the color names and so forth on the back. So I already took off the plastic covering. So right in the middle is the highlighter, which is pretty typical with them when I see those customized palettes from Ofra. But at the top, you have these tones here, which you can use for eyeshadow, matte eyeshadow, but then you can also use them as blush. And then of course you have the other two highlighter shades right there. And then this one I can use as eyeshadow, but for me it'd be a bronzer too. And then that is a blush. So again, you just kind of have everything in here and customize. Oh, I can use this one as a blush too. So that I like. So this will be something I will keep for me, and I actually will use this. I think I have one other Ofra not eyeshadow, highlighter. And then that's it. I don't have anything else from Ofra. That's it. Now for the premium box, I already opened it up because I had to find out. Like I said, I wanted the orange palette, and I purposely picked in the quiz. I said like everything neutrals because I'm like, give me that, give it to me. So you get the card with everything on the back, and then you have actually buy one get one 50% off at actual ABH's website, and it has the code in there. So the palette in orange, yay! I got the orange one. Paid for itself. This is $60. I didn't even have to look on there to know. I already know how much this was. I'll show you the inside, and then tomorrow I will be using it tomorrow. So volume 3, and this is pretty much it. I wasn't interested in the purple. The newest purple one, that one actually looks nice, like an actual purple one. This, the older version one, I'm just gonna call it the older version. Again, has all these other colors, and just, I just don't like the color story. There we go. This is actually great as we're going into fall too, where I'm at going into fall. The next item I got is the loose highlighter, and this is in the shade Peach Fizz. So this retails for $25. Now I had a stack, they're a little holiday set of the loose powders, and I actually wound up giving that away because the powder is, it's chunky glitter shimmer that just looks like you're putting like I would say like body shimmer, thicker cut of shimmer on the body. This doesn't look chunky. Could have fooled me. That's what it looks like. This doesn't look chunky. Okay. Huh. Must be the shade then. This is the Peach Fizz. Okay, I will try that. I love loose highlighters, and I love like loose powders. I don't know, the holiday set was chunky as can be, but this one, okay. I can hang with this, so Peach Fizz it is. I will try that. Next is a setting spray, the Dew Set setting spray. I actually finished one already, but I'll show it to you. This has a really nice, like the casing, the metallic gold, and it's very much reminds me of like the Fix Plus. You just turn it like that. It has like a slight coconut smell to it. I'm gonna have to plug my nose. I'm allergic to coconut, so even smelling coconut makes me want to hurl. So I have to like Hold on a minute. Let's move the scent around here. Get rid of that smell. Okay. Next is, oh wait, let me tell you the price of the spray. So the Dew Mist spray is, where are you on here? $26. Next is the Brow Definer Pencil. I actually have one of these, and this is retails for $23, but my shade is Ebony. This is dark brown. Let's see if dark brown is as deep as Ebony, because that's the shade I actually have. Actually, that's what I used for my brows today. Huh, go figure. And it has a spoolie on the end. Yep, still triangle top right there. Dark brown, come on. Oh, that'll work. I was afraid that it would be like a chocolate reddish tone to it. That's not me. That's not me. I like more of that soft black. So I will use that. So far, of course, I'm going to use everything. This is their false lashes. This retails for $12. It's in the style Lengthy. This isn't my style at all because it looks like very dramatic. When it comes to eyelashes, I don't want you to see my lashes first and then my eyes. I'm the other way. So I would love the drama, the thickness, and the length, but blend in very naturally with my own. But I also don't wear the strip much anymore. I always cut mine. So what I'll probably do with this is, no, actually what I will do is I'll just cut it up. Cut it up and just put them on the edges. Call it a day. So I'll just use them for the length, so I will use that. The last item is the loose setting powder, which is in retails for $38. This is in the shade Golden Orange. I believe I have the shade Translucent, or I have the Banana. Let me check real quick. Right here, I have Banana shade, but it's not like a strong yellow. It's actually like translucent on me, but I do like their loose powder. Now this looks dark. See, really dark, really dark. So, two things that I can do with this. I'll just go ahead and test out the color. One, I can use this as a bronzer, like a loose bronzer, which I doubt I will do that. Okay, I doubt I will do that. Trying to get some here on my hand. Yeah, it's not that deep for a bronzer. But you know what I can do with this? Can't even see it. It's like right here. I'll get a little bit more color. What I can do is, because of the undertone right there, I will use it as a corrector. So what I do is, if I put I just use my Dragon Beauty corrector, which has that strong red-orange tone to it. I'll put that on, and then I will put very light dust of translucent powder to set it before I put the next layer of the cream on, concealer. So I can just set it with this. We're talking a little bit. Or if when I just don't want to deal with Dragon Beauty with the other corrector, I can just use this. So just lightly dust this into the areas in which I want to use this corrector, and that's it. And then I just can put the product on top and still will do the same thing. It will be a less, it'll be a subtle corrector. So that's probably what I'll do with that. That's what I got in my takeover box, Norvina with Boxycharm, and then of course what I got in my base box. But if you are a subscriber of Boxycharm, let me know in the comments how has it been? Is this the first takeover box? I have no clue. Do they tend to do takeover boxes with these big brands? I don't know. I mean, is there going to be a Tatcha one? Is there going to be, who am I thinking? I don't know. You let me know. Let me know down in the comments. And I appreciate that if you do. You let me know. So thank you everyone for stopping by and watching. It is greatly appreciated just coming here and spending some time with me. Have a wonderful day, wonderful evening. Subscribe if you're new. Please come back and I will see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.